Hello YouTube followers and welcome to my channel. I'm Jade Rhapsody and this is my channel, also Jade Rhapsody. So today I'm going to be unboxing the purchase that I made from Launch during their Christmas in July sale. I just got it today and I ordered it maybe end of last week, I guess, Friday. So it took about a week to get here and I'm super excited. So let's see what I ordered from Launch. And I have a handy dandy, I am on my cell phone, so we can decide if this is, better or worse. See, it might be worse because I'm not steady. So I'm gonna open this knife, which is not really easy while recording with the cell phone. Okay. So I'm just going to, see, it is hard because this moves. Gonna not cut myself while opening this with a knife. Sorry, I know that's not very good, but oh, that worked out better. This is just the knife part. I can't pop the packaging tape, and I'm basically just chasing it around the table. Okay. So I'm just gonna set that knife down and open this up. What's inside? Oh my god, I'm so excited. There is this. What's this? I ordered like 4 hair products, so I'm gonna put them on my hair because it's pretty trash right now. So this is the Sorbet Botanical Smoothing Balm. Biotin and coconut oil. Hells yes. Conditions and straightens. Oh my god. So we're definitely gonna try this out really soon. That's the Sorbet Botanical Smooth Balm. So my cat wants to be in the video. There he is. And yes, the knife's still open because I didn't close it. Don't play with the knife, kitty. Okay. Next up, we've got the Launch Satin Nectar Nourishing Gloss, and on the bottom it says vitamins A, C, and E, coconut, and sunflower seed oil. So we have that, and these products were all on sale for $9 during the Christmas in July sale. This is called Launch Posh Hair Polish. This is literally the coolest stuff. It looks like glitter. Anyway, it's a thermal safe laminating gel shine smooth condition infused with botanical extracts. So I'm gonna read these soon, and I'll probably do that on another video for each one of these. Read the back of them, and let you know what the instructions are as far as putting them on your hair, whether it should be wet or dry or what. So next up, we've got the Revival Heat Shield. It is keratin infused chamomile extract, locks out humidity. I need this because I live in Georgia now and I moved here from Indiana, and my hair is pretty fried because I've been color treating it a lot. So there's that, which I guess is like some barcode for my return. And then there's this, which I had to turn the box over to get out. Yes, I bought one of the Launch Levite hairbrush straighteners because I saw a lot of videos and I really wanted to try it out and see if it could tame my crazy wild mane. Because right now it's crazy wild. So on this one, I'll do an unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this plastic off. Well, maybe I shouldn't take the plastic off. All right, so I'm gonna do a separate unboxing and then separate I'm gonna go ahead and read these other hair products that I got. I got the Posh Hair Polish, the Satin Nectar Nourishing Gloss, the Revival Heat Shield, which I'll only use when I'm straightening my hair after my hair is air dried, and I got the Sorbet Botanical Smoothing Balm. So I'm going to read those, and I'm going to do separate videos with all those, and hopefully I will have tried them out when I come back to these products and read the instructions for you on videos, and hopefully I will have tried this out and I can show you some before and after videos of before my hair was straightened and after, before and after photos maybe of using these products versus not using these products. And so stay tuned for the more specific unboxings and product reviews of all of the stuff that we saw that I purchased from the company Launch today during their Christmas and July sale. And again, I don't know if they'll do this again next year or not, but all of these products that you see here came today about a week for shipping, and these were on sale for $9, and this was regularly at like $179.99. I think it was on sale for $67.99. And there were some people online that were saying that they'd never seen this particular styling tool on sale for that low of a price. So I'm feeling really good. I did want the black, but I ended up getting the blush because the black was out of stock, and then the next day after I made my order, they told me the black was in stock. But that's another point. It doesn't matter. It's just a brush styling thing, and nobody's going to see it unless I like style their hair with it because they're my friends. So why would they care if it's pink or black? Anyway, that's my video, and stay tuned because I will review these other products and unbox the Lavite hair brush straightener for you and tell you all about my experiences with the products that I've shown here today.